So you're interested in starting out your first garden, but you're not quite sure where to start from. Well, let's dig in to how you can start out your first garden this season. So the first thing you want to do is decide what to grow. So a lot of people say that you should just grow what you're going to eat, but a lot of people also like to plant things that look really nice or provide an aesthetic to their outdoor backyard, garden, or patio. Whatever your choice, one or the other, or a combination of both, just make sure you look into your local growing zones so that you understand exactly what will thrive in your area so that you have the best chance of success. The next thing you want to do is choose your location for your plants. So a lot of plants require a lot of sunlight, and you're going to want to make sure that you put those in an area of your yard that's not covered by trees or part of your roof. Other plants, like deep-rooted potatoes, greenery, and even some herbs, don't require as much sun, so those are a little bit more lenient. Another thing to consider is that other critters outside might also be interested in your garden, so make sure you plant somewhere that deer, rabbits, and other animals, won't get into your garden and disrupt the beautiful things that you're planting.